Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by pairing your Garmin watch to the Garmin Connect app and confirming Bluetooth is active on the phone. Once done, make sure Google Maps is installed and signed into the same Google account. This syncs saved places and routes. Now allow location and background permissions for both apps so the watch can fetch directions. Finally, update Garmin firmware if prompted. This prevents compatibility hiccups when the watch requests map data from your phone. You now create or pick the route in Google Maps, enter destination, tap directions, then choose your transport mode. Next, use the Share menu and select the option to send or export the route to your devices. If Garmin appears, pick it. If not, export the route as a GPX/KML and import it into Garmin Connect or Garmin Explore, then sync the watch. Make sure the phone remains nearby during transfer so the watch receives the navigation file. You begin navigation by opening navigation or courses on the watch and selecting the imported route. Tap Start. As you move, the watch gives turn-by-turn prompts, vibration alerts, and ETA. Use zoom or glance screens to view the map. If the route fails to load or prompts stop, make sure Bluetooth is connected, then reboot the watch and phone, reopen Garmin Connect, and force a sync. If problems persist, re-export the route or check app permissions for background location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.